Hello friends, I am your host Poonam and welcome to JENISHA Online Show. Friends, today I will review Tiny Tycoon Paris Cream. So let's start today's video. As you are seeing on the screen, this is the product. Now I will show you the closest view. Tiny Tycoon Paris. This is the front side. Now I will show you another side. Baby Diaper Rash Cream. Provide quick relief, prevents soothes and hypoallergenic. This side, baby diaper rash cream. Ingredients: aqua, zinc oxide. You can see all the ingredients: seed oil, almond oil, alcohol, citric acid, potassium, etc. Butter, shea butter also. So all the ingredients are the very important part of any product. So see all the ingredients carefully. So these are the ingredients. Jojoba seed oil also is here. Leaf, aloe vera leaf juice. Okay. So these are the ingredients of this product. Now how to apply. Change wet or soiled diapers promptly. Cleanse the diaper area and allow it to dry. Apply cream liberally as often as necessary. With each diaper change, especially at bedtime or any time when exposure to wet diapers may be prolonged. Keep out of the reach of the children. For external use only, store cool and dry place. Now quantity has given 100 grams, 3.53 oz. In oz, 3.53. Okay. Now next side, 15% zinc oxide, paraben free, pH balanced, sulfate free, toxin free, color and fragrance free, safe for newborn baby. This is a nice cream. And this is again, we have come to the front side. Now I will show you how does the cream look like from downwards. See, here has written baby diaper rash cream marketed by Chiron Lifestyle LLP, customer care, Paris @tinytycoon.com, manufactured by Lamier Private Limited, manufacturer license number has given. After that, batch block number has given, Baleshwar India, address has given, batch number has given, manufacture date is 1/2022, maximum rupees 449 rupees, inclusive of all taxes. Best before 36 months from manufacture date, and quantity 100 gram or 3.53 in oz. www.tinytycoonparis.co. Barcode has given for checking the product's originality. So this was the downward side. Now I will show you the upward side. From the upward, the product look like this. Little Heaven baby diaper rash cream, 100 gram or 3.53 oz. Now friends, I will open the product and I will show you how does the product look like from inside. So just wait. Now I am going to open the product. I have fully opened. This is its cap, this coverage, and this is the cream. The cream comes in white color. Okay, this is the cream. See the closest view. It looks something like butter. Okay, so friends, this was the today's video. In today's video, I reviewed Little Heaven baby diaper rash cream. If you like today's video and want to watch more such type of interesting and especially product related videos, subscribe to JENISHA Online Show. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in our next video.